Okay, so before we start the video, I just want to let you know how uncertain the future of the story series is. Part 1 was supposed to come out today, but that is being postponed because 1. There is an interesting tropical development in the Eastern Pacific right now, and 2. Nobody watched the prologue, which means you guys probably don't want to watch it. Part 1 might come out on Wednesday, but it's tough to say for sure. Now with that out of the way, into the video. In my tropical weather snapshot yesterday, I talked about how one of the disturbances in the Eastern Pacific was likely to become a major hurricane. That disturbance has now developed into Tropical Storm Genevieve, and its forecast is still pretty significant. Now before we get into the storm, its forecast, and its potential impacts, I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. So, what has Genevieve already done? For 1, it has already undergone rapid intensification, a term used for storms whose wind speeds increased by at least 35 miles per hour in a 24-hour period. It is currently a 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm as of this video being written, and will likely be a hurricane by the time you are watching this. However, this is nowhere near its projected peak intensity. Current forecasts show Genevieve continuing to rapidly intensify over the next 2 days, with its eventual peak as a Category 4 hurricane on Wednesday. Its forecast track takes it parallel to the coast of Mexico, eventually passing close by the Baja Peninsula near peak intensity. Now that we've established the forecast track and intensity, what about impacts? It all depends on where the storm tracks. If it takes a track further away from the coast, then most people that will experience will be some bigger waves and a little wind. However, if it tracks closer to the coast, then hurricane-force winds will be a possibility for many people. It's even possible, but not likely at the moment, that there will be a direct landfall on the southern Baja Peninsula. And with that, that's all there is to know about Tropical Storm Genevieve. Because of how significant the storm is, you can expect at least one more update video about it, as well as mention it in tomorrow's current weather snapshot video. As always, I would appreciate if you would like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay tuned for future content. Thanks and have a great day.